For this project, we were approached by our clients a little bit over a year ago. The idea was to renovate the entire main level for their mountain home here in Evergreen. I work side by side with our clients and the contractor to go over the design of all these spaces. We're talking entry, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry, office, guest bedroom, the master bedroom, and powder room as well. We put together a color palette for these clients that felt really casual. They're a young family, so we needed to be very functional and practical, but at the same time, we didn't want to sacrifice the style, the design, and put together a mountain home style with a little bit of a farmhouse flair. For this, we decided to bring some shiplap wall details in the dining room, paired with some bold colors, and all the materials throughout feel very natural. We wanted to bring nature inside the space.